When I come here, one thing I'm struck by is how interdisciplinary people's research is and how ambitious their goals are. A pretty stunning thing about being at the Summer Workshop is that I get to sit at the same dinner table as the person who ran the National Science Foundation. The opportunity to meet people who are just so optimistic about what they can do in their PhD and what they can do with their careers in science. It almost feeds off of each other in a way.
Well, one of the things that I've been really impressed with is how curious everybody is. The range of questions that have been asked on all the talks, even by people who are experts and people who are non-experts. People are really thinking out of the box. It's fun to have this community of people where you can bounce ideas and get these ideas at the intersections.
This is my first summer workshop and I love it. It's wonderful to see the interdisciplinary brilliance of all these people and to hear how everyone is interacting together and how the research can touch on other people's research. It's really fascinating and it gets me kind of out of my own science rut, which I love, so I will definitely be back.
I think what I've enjoyed the most is just how many different fields are represented here. Usually when you go to a conference, it's just lots of people from one or two specialties. It's very narrow, but here you have a couple people in every single area. You end up learning a lot more than you would in a more narrow setting.
My favorite interactions really end up being the new Hertz Fellows, both hearing where they're going on their research and what's been going on in the educational community lately, and then finding out that in some way, shape, or fashion, they're actually interested in some of the kinds of things that I ended up doing in my project-related sort of world.
I am most excited about the community. I think already I've just started to meet the new fellows and the broader community, and I think that being able to learn from their experience, even some current fellows or new ones who are already just in their first year of their PhD, they've already started to give me advice on choosing an advisor or how to approach my rotation, and I think that that has been really invaluable experience. I am really excited to be a part of that.